Forget the concrete jungle. Forget the relentless hum of the city and the sterile blue light of your phone screen. I want you to imagine a place where time doesn't just slow down. It feels layered, ancient, and profoundly alive. A place where the air itself is thick with the scent of damp earth, sweet blossoms, and the exhalations of a billion breathing leaves. This isn't a fantasy. This is Taman Negara National Park in Pahang, Malaysia world that has been turning for over 130 million years. Stepping into this sprawling Malaysia rainforest is less like visiting a park and more like entering a living museum. It predates the Amazon and the Congo, having miraculously survived ice ages and geological upheavals. The moment you cross the Tembeling River by longboat to the park's headquarters at Kuala Tayon, you feel it. The modern world recedes, replaced by the symphony of the jungle, the piercing calls of unseen birds, the rhythmic drone of cicadas, and the gentle lapping of the river against the shore. This isn't just a trip, it's a journey back in time. The undisputed star of Taman Negara is its legendary canopy walk, at 530 meters long and suspended 40 meters above the forest floor. It holds the title of the world's longest, but a title doesn't do it justice. Walking across its narrow, swaying planks is a heart-pounding, perspective-shifting experience. You are no longer a visitor looking up at the trees. You are among them. Here, in the realm of monkeys and hornbills, you see the jungle as a multi-level metropolis. You witness the intricate web of life that thrives in the treetops, a world completely hidden from the ground. Each step is a mix of giddy excitement and profound awe, a tightrope walk through the lungs of the planet. But the soul of Taman Negara is found along its rivers. These muddy, life-giving arteries are the highways of the rainforest. A boat trip upriver to Lata Berkoh is a meditative experience. The dense green walls of the jungle sliding past as your boatman expertly navigates the currents. The destination is a series of cascading rapids where you can swim in the cool, refreshing water, perfect antidote to the jungle's humidity. This journey also offers a window into the human heart of the forest. A visit to an Orang Asli settlement is a powerful and humbling lesson in sustainable living. The Batek people, one of Malaysia's indigenous groups, have called this forest home for millennia. Watching a demonstration of firemaking or learning how they use a blowpipe for hunting is to witness a deep, symbiotic relationship with nature. This isn't a performance, it's a sharing of culture, an essential part of any true ecotourism Malaysia experience. It's a moment that reminds you that the jungle isn't just a place of wild things. It's a home. For the truly adventurous, the park's real magic lies deep within its trails. Jungle trekking in Malaysia is a rite of passage for many nature lovers, and Taman Negara is its grand cathedral. You can opt for a simple night walk near the park headquarters, where the forest transforms into an entirely new world, filled with glowing fungi, strange insects, and the glowing eyes of nocturnal creatures. Or you can commit to a multi-day trek, sleeping in remote hides and truly immersing yourself in the wilderness. With a guide, you learn to read the forest to identify animal tracks, understand the medicinal properties of plants, and listen to its subtle language. The humidity is challenging, the leeches are a given, but the reward is immeasurable. It's the feeling of being utterly, completely disconnected from your normal life and plugged directly into something primal and real. In the depths of Taman Negara, you don't just see nature, you become a part of its rhythm. Taman Negara is more than just another item on a list of Pahang attractions. It's a vital, breathing sanctuary. It's a challenge and a reward. It asks you to be present, to listen, and to respect its ancient power. It's a place that gets under your skin and stays with you long after you've washed the jungle mud from your boots. To visit is to understand on a cellular level what we stand to lose if we don't protect these last great wild places. It's a journey to the beginning of the world, and it might just show you a new beginning for yourself.